Okay, so this is an LG fridge with a French door. I'm going to show you how to replace the door seal. So I just got my door seal shipped from LG, and it's pretty simple. Just open up your door and then start at the top corner there and slowly work it out of the corner. It's all just a plastic fit. It's just press fitted in, so just work it out slowly and it'll come out. And then as you get a little bit of it out, you can start going a little quicker. This whole job takes maybe 2 minutes to do. This video is perfect for somebody with a short attention span because it goes so fast. You can see at this point in time, I'm just yanking it out. Just pulls right out. Now just take your new seal, unbox it. Be careful not to cut the seal when you unbox it. And when you take your seal out, just be careful of the fact that those tabs there, where you see it open there, that those tabs stay to the outside of the door. Start in a corner, work it in. I picked the inside corner there, and just work it down the side. And along the bottom, up the other side. It doesn't need to be stretched or anything, it'll just fit in on its own. It'll fit nicely into the corners. And when you're done, close the door. Thanks for watching.